Hello and welcome. In this video I show you how to easily check if your Apple power adapter is original. This works with all new MacBooks. Let's start and plug in the power adapter. Click on the Apple symbol in the upper left corner and push Options to switch the menu. Then click on System Information and use the button Power and scroll down. You can see the serial number of your power adapter now. If it's fake, you will not see a serial number. This also works with third-party USB-C cables. That's it. I hope this video helped you. I would appreciate a like and or subscribe. Have a nice day.